Hi, Chloe.
Hi, Jane. Is that a new Louis Vuitton purse?
No, it just looks like one. It's a copy, but I was told it's just as good.
Great. It was good to see you.
I should have bought the original. I should have bought a Louis Vuitton.
Hi, Bob.
Hi, Jack.
Is that a new Rolex?
No, it just looks like one. It's a copy. But I was told that it's just as good.
That's great. See you soon.
I should have bought the original. I should have bought a Rolex.
Hi, Sally. Is that a rainbow? I hear that they are the absolute best.
No, it just looks like a rainbow, but it's not. It uses water, and I was told that it is just as good.
I hope it works out.
I should have got the original. I should have got a rainbow.